Good morning. Welcome to MB Option Traders. This is Shima. Day 26 of 2.5 lakhs to 60 lakhs channel. And today is monthly expiry. I'm expecting a good rally on market today. So let's do some scalp today only. The monthly expiry get expected high tika decay. So we're gonna enter and we're gonna quick exit. I'm gonna planning as the hero to zero strategy on today. You can see the last month we end up with a good profit. So I'm expecting the same with this month also. So let's for market open. Okay, you can see I'm waiting for the perfect moment. The market open and as expected gap and open. I'm expecting one more pullback. Once we get pullback, we're gonna enter. Okay, as we plan market fall and create a bullish angle fin. That's why exiting on sorry I'm entering on this particular trade for just scalp purpose on bank nifty. But I'm more bullish. I'm more bullish on nifty. So just do a small scalp on bank nifty. You can see market went to fall and I can create a pause and create a green candle. We can expect it gonna continue fall. That's why I enter on this particular rate. I'm gonna mostly gonna exit after this candle close. We can highly expect it's going to be fall and we can expect it gonna give you a more target, but I don't want to hold this rate. Once I'll give 1:1, I'll gonna exit. I'm expecting a 5,000 of profit. Just 20 points. That's it. You can see as we enter, the market try to fall our side. Okay, the option shot also started giving profit. So let me wait for confirmation. Okay, we highly confirm it's going to be bearish. Once we get 1:1, I'm gonna exit. Okay, we hit 1:1. Let me exit. Zero. 1 second. Okay, let me update first. So okay, you can see I updated trial so reason it might be chance for more. That's why I updated my trial list. Okay, once I'll get confirmation, then I'll exit. You can see market try to fall, but I'm not interested in bank nifty. I'm more interested in nifty in bullish side. So okay, you can see we already crossed 1:1 target. Cool. And you can see we already crossed the 1.5. Let me convert to 1 minute time frame. Okay, you can see any highly convert it's going to be bearish, but I don't want to hold this trade particular trade. Let me update my trade is below this one in case gonna exit as we as bad falls. Okay, you can see I'm updating my trial just below this cal. Okay, we already crossed the our trial so let me exit on market. Exit. Exit. Okay, let me show you the order books. The reason I said I this only for scalp purpose. I'll enter on Nifty. Okay, you can see this order box and we made a profit of 4,000 plus. Okay, after exiting the bank depleted, I said I'm more interested in Nifty. You can see I'm expecting a good rally. So once the market close above this zone in a green candle, we're gonna enter on this particular rate. Okay, you can see the market try to close above. That's why I'm entering on this particular rate. Okay, sure. This is a hero the strategy. I mean that's why I enter on this particular amount 3,000 quantity. Usually we don't enter this much of quantity. Okay, let me show you. I only take these trades on just 10 rupees. You can see is it 10 rupees and I'm expecting target about this black zone, the first LC, and we can expect a more 200 AM as a second target, and we can expect a gap filling as a third target, and we can expect a upside as a fourth target. Again, we get a gap filling pending also. Let me wait for the candle close. Okay, you can see as we expected, market should bullish, but it's try to fall. Let me exit on this particular day. Let's we re-enter on this particular month. The candle close above this zone. Okay, you can see I'm expecting it going to be create a doji or a hammer. So let me okay. So let me exit first, then we'll re-enter. That is a very clear. Today is a monthly expiry. We can expect a high theta decay. That's why I'm planning to exit. Just confirmation. If the candle close below, we can highly confirm it's going to be bearish. We can expect then a retest and then expecting bullishness. That's why I don't hold much as. You can see the one candle close below the previous red candle. We can highly confirm it's going to be bearish. I'm just waiting for the confirmation. You can see the spots are trying to bullish, but look at the options or how it's falling. That's why I said there's a monthly expiry. There's a high T30K. That's why I have to exit. Shall I exit? One second. Exit on. Okay, you can see the options are falling. Let me exit. Okay, if we get any support again, I'm gonna hold, but it's not taking any support. That's why I'm waiting for the confirmation. Okay, you can see. Chalo, I exited. Reason I said, you can see they're trying to be bullish, but the option chart is trying to fall hard. It is because we took out of the money. That's why I exited the particular trade. Let me show you the order books. Okay, these are the order books, and these are the entry and exit. And we made loss of 9,000. The total pain of 5,000. Let me enter once again the candle confirmation. Okay, see, as I said, it again to create a symmetric pattern and trying to break the offset zone with the candle close above the zone, and it's going to break a asymmetric pattern also. This is the target. We can expect 80 plus points. So I'm waiting for the confirmation. If the candle close above, we're highly confirmed it's going to be bullish trade. The reason is said, and market previously fall and it created a support, and today we will expect monthly expiry. I'm expecting a momentum day. Why the momentum day? The last 2 days we can see it tried to fall, but not getting any in a single way direction. So I'm expecting single way direction today. It might be go in a single day in single way direction on first half. We can expect a fall on second half also. Right now I'm expecting a bullish trade on Nifty. So once the candle close above, we can highly confirm it's going to bullish. I'm just waiting for the confirmation. Okay, you can see it creating a good symmetric pattern. I just wait for the confirmation. Once the candle close above, we can take a shot on this one, and we can hold as much as possible. And one more thing I want to clear you about this today. Whenever you try to trade on monthly expiry, just quick entry and quick exit. That is going to dedicate in fraction of second. You can lose your everything, your profit and your loss, or everything, and you change in one fraction of seconds. Okay, I'll entered on this particular trade. You can see why I entered. You can just look at that. Okay, you can see as we expected, market went up. That's why the reason very clear is our day high. It might be take resistance, and then we can expect a pullback. Then we can expect one more rally. That's why I exited. You can see the option. These are the order books, and we made a profit of 7 pound and back to 40,000 profit. Let me enter once the market give a perfect moment. Okay, after exiting the trade, market try to creating a green candle. If once the candle close above this previous the bullish market, I'm going to enter on this particular trade. Same as the previously we exited one. I entered on the particular trade and only will enter on 10 points strike price. Okay, you can see I'll enter in this particular trade. Okay, you can see it's trying to bullish. Let me enter, then I'll explain you. Okay, let me confirm. Okay, enter. Chalo, entry on this particular trade. As I said previously, we only take the 10 points strike price only because it can give you a single straight target. That's why I enter this particular trade on monthly expiry. Let me wait for the candle close. If the candle close above, we can highly confirm we're gonna hit our target. Okay, you can see we expecting a bullish trade, but the candle creating good hammer. Sorry, good bearish mother candle, but there no need to exit because we already we fix our loss because we want if we wanna lose, we gonna lose only we get like 33,000. We are profitable of 15,000. End of the we gonna lose only 15,000. I'm taking risk on the profit, not on my capital. So don't take too much of stress. Just wait for the target and SL only. In monthly expiry, we can expect a high moves on particular strike price. That's why I'm waiting for the target. Okay, let's wait for the candle close. Okay, here we can see as we expect market bullish. That's why I said the previously if you want we can exit the red candle. When you have patience, you can make anything. Okay, let me update my trial SL below this candle. Reason is very clear. In case it's a market with reversal, we're not going to lose everything. We are already in profitable. Okay, you can see. Let me update once again our trial SL. Reason is very clear. You have to trial your SL. This is the monthly expiry. We can in single second we can lose our targets and our entire profits in a single second. That's why you update your trial SL as much as possible and update your SL also. Okay, you can see market trying to bullish. Let's wait for the confirm that the candle close above zone. We will highly confirm it's going to be bullish. Let's wait for the candle close. Okay, travel SL got triggered. Okay, let me show you the order books. Okay, we are profit 39,000. Okay, after exiting, I'm waiting for the again confirmation. You can see. As I said previously, if the candle close above the zone, we can expect a good rally. That's why entering this particular trade. You can see the previously we exited again is market fall and created a red candle, then supporting a green candle. So you can see the candle try to break the zone. If the candle break the zone, we can highly confirm it's going to be a bullish day because the zone the previously multiple times. Okay, I entered multiple times it tests this zone. We can expect a rally on this particular trade. Okay, sorry, I entered on the 300 quantity. So let me re-enter. I'm planning for the 3,000 quantity. That's why I'm exited this trade. Okay, I'll re-enter this particular. Okay, so we all lost. Okay, chalo, let me enter. As the previous same reason, I'm expecting a zone breakout of the previously. As I said, now it already broke this. Okay, as we plan market going to bullish and breaking the 200 EMI also. That's why I'm updating my trial SL. Below this candle, you can see we took multiple days today. Whenever I enter, I entered on just 10 with strike price. You can see because the strike price give me good target. Okay, our trial SL got triggered. Okay, because the reason is it's testing the 200 for the first time. That's why it took resistance. Okay, these are orders and they are back to 47,000. Okay, let me enter once again this trade. As I said previously, we're gonna quick enter, quick exit. I'm same amount of I'm entering once again. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, see it's the market trying to break the above the 200 EMA and instead candle also. We can highly expect a bullish rally from here only. That's why entering this particular trade. Just waiting a second. It's not in. I don't know what happened. Just give me a second. Okay, let me enter on this option chart. Same 3,000 quantity. I don't know why it not entered on the particular option chart. That's why I'm entering on this particular trade on from the option chart. Let me enter. So again, shall I enter? You can see these are the option chain and positions. Again, say is market taking support from 200 EMA and breaking the previously inside candle. That's why again added 2000 quantities more, and now we are total of 5000 candle. I am just placing below this candle as a SL for the 2000 quantity because we planned for the only 3000 quantity. That's why updating my SL below this one for the extra 2000 quantity. So you can see like at highly confident is going to be bullish in just safety purpose. That's why I updated my SL below this case because of theta decay. I am explaining this from this. Okay, as we plan market right to bullish. Okay, you can see. Chalo. Let me update my trailer again once again. I can't placing the trailer from that the particular option. That's why I'm updating my trailer from the position point of view. Okay, let me update trailer cell. I'm placing trailer cell for the entire 5000 quantity. The reason is very clear. It highly confirmed it's going to be bullish. In case it get reversal, it might be expected fall. That's why updating entire trailer cell for the entire quantity. Okay, you can see this is they are our trailer cell. Let me show you the option chart. Okay, you can see as we expected market right to bullish, and I'm expecting a good rally from here only. But above you can see there's a gap. We can expect a resistance from the gap. That's why updating my trade excel once again. It is very clear. We need to update our trial as much as possible. Don't leave profit on table, man. Just one single thing. Don't leave the profits. That's one is the one I always follow. Whenever I get profitable, I'll just trial my. I don't want to lose my profit. That's it. That's why you can see every time I trial, and especially when in expiry trades, in monthly expiry or weekly expiry, just try to trial your SL. In case because the theta get too fast, you can't even control from your hands. That's why you have to update your SL and trial SL. It's not showing in this particular one because we updated on positions that we not showing in this our trial SL. Again, you can see. Let me update once again. That you can see it's 10 points. I'm updating to 12 points. So let me update once. So let me exit. Okay. Okay. Reason I'm expecting once again there is bullishness. Okay, I can see. Okay, let me enter once again. Same quantity, 3000 quantity, highly confirmed is going to be bullish. That's why entering once again the trade. You can see the previous it tried to fall. Again, it went to back to the previous position as we expected. It tried to bullish and broke the previous high also and broke the 400 EM also. We are highly confirmed it's going to be a bullish trade. So let me update my trial as below this candle. Just single road, just trial your SL. That's it. Always below this, I'm trialing myself. So let me add some more quantity because they will highly confident it's going to be bullish, and that's why I'm updating my quantity more from this one. Let me try. Let's confirm my lender. Okay, chalo, chala. I added more quantity 5000. Reason is very clear. I said it bullish right now. The once the candy close above will highly confirm. Let me update my trial below this now. Just said, just try to hold your profits, cut your losses. That's why I'm updating my trial below this one. You can say in case we're gonna lose, we're not gonna lose everything. Just pop 5 points. Just let me calculate. just a 4 points. Let's wait for the candle close. Okay, you can see market going to our way. So let me update my trailer here once again because we are profitable right now. That's why I'm updating my trailer, sir, to remove the game. Yes, sir. So let me update trailer cell below this candle. Just try to take 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. How much point? Take that. The market even just 1 point. Just take it. Don't leave profit on table. This is the one thing I'll try to explain from the starting of this channel. This is thing I only follow. You can see. So he highly confirm it's going to be bullish. Might be hit our trailer and nothing wanna lose. We're still in profitable. So let me wait for the candy close above. Okay, you can see it too close to our trailer. It might be hit our trailer. So let me convert into 1 minute time frame to confirm more. So let me wait for it. So our trailers got triggered. Let me show you the order books and the positions. And here is the order books. Don't look at the total. The so many trades are cancelled. Okay, this other person we are 57,000. Okay, after exiting trade, I'm waiting for the confirmation. You can see it try to fall and taking support from the 400 EMA. It might be take some support from the 400 EMA. That's why I'm planning to enter this particular trade. When the candle not created, how can you know sure about this one? Because whenever the market is trying to bullish trend or a bearish, it never take time to enter the new person. It try to take profit from the anywhere. There is a this small possibility gonna take support. I am expecting same support from this 400 EMA. That's why I'm planning to enter on this particular from this one. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, chalo. Let me enter same quantity. Okay, I can say. Chalo, I confirm entry. Chalo, let's wait for the candle close. Okay, as we plan market trying to take support from the 400 EMA, so it highly confirm it's going to be bullish. Let me add more quantity on this particular trade. Just give me a second. Let me go and add 1000 quantity. We'll add more quantity. The one it get confirmation more, we're gonna add more 1000 quantity. Let me add first 1000 quantity. Sure. Okay, you can see. Chalo, added. This is very sad. You can see has be expected taking some from the 400 EMA. That's why I enter on this particular trade. I'm gonna hold until it's broke the 400 EMA. Chalo, let's wait for it. Okay, market taking some support. That's why I'm betting my trailers are below this one. Chalo, placed. Okay, as I said, market taking support from the 400 EMA. Trying to bullish. Let me update my trailers are below the candle. You market showing profit just ILSL, but more add little more quantity. Okay, you can see I added more quantity. Let me update my ILSL. Chalo, let me update my ILSL below this one. It is very clear. We added more quantity. That's why I'm updating my ILSL. It's updated. Okay, you can see market taking some support. That's why updating my below this 400 EMA. It highly confirmed it's going to be support. That's why updating the below the candle. So let me update. Updated. So okay, you can see market as we expected. Trying to bullish. That's why update my trial is below this candle. Reason if the zone broken, okay, highly expected the bullish. It might be take resistance from the zone. That's why updated. Okay, just update your trial SL, hold your targets. Okay, you can see. You can see we try to fall. Let me convert into 1 minute time frame. In case we hit our trial SL, not going to do nothing. It might still I'm expecting going to be bullish. Reason might be create a hammer. Then we can expecting a green candle. You can see in last week and this week we made continued losses, but a single day we covered all losses and we went to profitable. This is the beauty of patience and following the rules. Okay, you can say it too close and I'm still expecting to going to be bullish only. So let me wait for the candle close. It highly confirmed to be bullish. Reason I'm expecting a hammer, then continue with the one more green candle. Okay, too close. Hello. Outer lesson got triggered. Let me show you the arrows. And these are the arrows. Let me show you. We enter on 21, 12, 11. Just be adding more quantity once we confirmation and we were profitable of 1 lakh. Okay, let me. Okay, this is going to be our last trade. Reasons were clear, taking resistance of the previously I expected, but again trying to break the opposite. That's fine in particular trade. You can see we started this challenge today. The zero to hero of 30,000 capitals. We took the invest of 30,000 and we were already crossed the 1 lakh because we already made 300% of return on this particular day. I'm expecting this is going to have last trade. Reason it might be it already consult. It try to pull it from the starting of the market. Let's give me a second. Just confirmation. I'll explain the reason. Okay, below this I'm gonna place our SL. Okay, sorry, trade get started. Let me enter. Just give me a second. Sorry, again I sorry for. So let me enter 5,000. Shall I enter? Okay, enter. Okay, we can see as we expected, market trade bullish. I'm waiting for the confirmation. Okay, I'll confirm. We expect a good rally. Okay, you can see as we expect trying to bullish. That's why I'm doing my trial SL. Just give me some. I want to make sure to clarify for you all. Just trial you will. So whenever the bullish market, just trial because market never wait for your confirmation. It going to bullish continuously. We expecting to we gonna enter again. We gonna enter again, but we on our last our entry point. That's why just enter and place your SL and trial SL. Okay, you can see as we expected try to bullish. That's a let me add bit 1 second about try lesson. Very simple. You can see the from starting on the market. I just entered and try exit and they are I just trial. That's it. You can see in the market trying to create a reversal doji. Reason might be takes up, then we'll expect a rally. Too close to hit our trial sir. Chalo, it triggered our trial sir. Okay, these are the other books, and we just started this trade of 30,000 investment, and we made a 1 lakh profit. This is the beauty of patience. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.